There's this age-old belief that when the land gives, we must give back. Growing up surrounded by greenery taught us that nature isn't something you visit. It's something you live with.
What if a home could feel like a Rousseau painting in motion? Lush, layered, and quietly transportive. The development sits inside one of Singapore's rarest ecologies. You've got Goodwood Hill on one side, the Botanic Gardens on the other, and the Central Catchment rising beyond. Three major habitats forming this natural green highway. And that's why we didn't shape nature around architecture. We did the opposite. We rewilded, bringing back native species, strengthening biodiversity, and letting natural rhythms return.
We've curated 101 native species, chosen to feed the right pollinators and carry the scents and colors of this region. Gardens that move with people, and wilder edges left to grow on their own.
And because the site rises through different ecological levels, it becomes a kind of vertical hide. Butterflies in the lower level, smaller birds in the middle, and gliding species above the treetops.
And in daily life, nature becomes gentle and generous. Evening air drifting through the balcony, children spotting something new each day. These small moments slow you down, quietly support your sense of well-being. And as the canopy rises, the ecosystem deepens. The meaning of this sanctuary reveals itself slowly, the way nature always does, over time.